है आपका मेरे चैनल में, जिसका नाम है कीर्ति के ट्रिक्स। तो क्या आप भी अपना वेट लॉस करना चाहते हैं और आपको भी दिक्कतें आ रही है, नहीं समझ में आ रहा कि क्या करें एग्जैक्टली, कोई भी ट्रिक वर्क नहीं कर रही है, क्या गलतियां हो रही हैं, तो जानने के लिए देखिए आज का हमारा ये वीडियो। आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे कुछ ऐसे वेट लॉस टिप्स which actually works. All dietitians and nutritionists says that you need a sustainable plan for weight loss. अब ये सस्टेनेबल प्लान क्या होता है, कैसे प्लान हमारा सस्टेन करेगा ज्यादा दिन तक। So to sustain in your plan, you have to make minor changes in your existing diet. जो भी आप ट्रेडिशनली खाते आए हो, जो भी आपकी प्लेट रही है, उसमें माइनर चेंजेस अगर आप करते हो तो आप ज़्यादा दिन तक सस्टेन कर सकते हैं। तो चलिए देखते हैं क्या ऐसे चेंजेस हम कर सकते हैं हमारे डाइट में विच विल लीड एन ईजी, क्विक एंड सिंप्लीफाइड वेट लॉस। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं हमारा पॉइंट। हमारा फर्स्ट पॉइंट है एड मोर एंड मोर सलाद टू योर डाइट। बेसिकली आपका जो सलाद है वो बहुत इसेंशियल है आपकी डेली न्यूट्रिएंट्स रिक्वायरमेंट के लिए। ये आपको न्यूट्रिएंट्स भी प्रोवाइड करते हैं विच विल गिव यू एन एंटीऑक्सीडेंट इफेक्ट, एंटी एजिंग इफेक्ट। और कुछ ऐसे सलाड्स हैं जिसमें विटामिन ए होता है विच विल लीड टू इम्प्रूव योर विजन, जैसे कि कैरेट्स में विटामिन ए होता है जो आपकी आई साइट को अच्छा करता है। ऐसे बहुत से फायदे आपको मिलते हैं सलाद से। तो अगर आप सलाद इंक्लूड करते हैं आपके ओवरऑल डाइट में तो वो आपको बहुत बेनिफिट करेगा। आप जो चाहे सलाद इंक्लूड कर सकते हैं। यू कैन हैव कुकुम्बर, यू कैन हैव टोमेटो, बीटरूट, कैरेट्स, कैबेज, देन यू कैन हैव फ्रूट्स ऑल्सो। इन फ्रूट्स यू कैन हैव गुआवा, पपाया, एप्पल्स। वो कहते हैं ना एन एप्पल अ डे कीप्स द डॉक्टर अवे, वो ऐसे ही नहीं कहा जाता। एप्पल में बहुत सारे न्यूट्रिएंट्स रहते हैं, माइक्रो न्यूट्रिएंट्स रहते हैं, मिनरल्स रहते हैं, फाइबर रहता है, बहुत सी चीजें आपको वो फायदा करता है। तो आप वेजिटेबल्स यूज करते हैं, इंक्लूड कर सकते हैं सलाद में। आप फ्रूट्स इंक्लूड कर सकते हैं, आप बेरीज भी इंक्लूड कर सकते हैं आपके सलाद में। For the sake of change, you can have juices in between. Juices में लौकी जूस यानी बॉटल गार्ड जूस is mentioned as very effective in weight loss journey. So I will suggest कि आप एक अलग से प्लेट बनाइए, उसमें you cut your vegetables, fruits and berries and just decorate that plate and have it before your meal. So that will help you to maintain for longer period of time. It will maintain your compliance to it. Okay? So ये था हमारा फर्स्ट पॉइंट। सेकेंड पॉइंट हमारा है वाटर कंजम्पशन। वाटर आपकी बॉडी के लिए बहुत इसेंशियल है, जितना जहाँ तक आप सोच सकते हो उससे बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है वाटर। वाटर के बिना हमारा कोई फंक्शन काम नहीं करता है। वाटर विल प्रोवाइड यू lot of benefits, like it will boost your metabolism, it will boost your immunity, it will stop retaining water, that will lead in higher weight loss, it will burn your fat. Also water will play an excellent role as an appetite suppressant. आपको जब भी भूख लगे just have a 1 glass of water. You can have hot or on at room temperature, whatever, just have a glass of water. There is a strong possibility कि आपकी hunger will go off, because जब भी आप कुछ खाना चाहते हैं, जब भी आपको लगता है कि you are hungry, that is not your hunger, it is just you want to consume something. और इसी चक्कर में आप कुछ जंक फूड खा लेते हैं, कुछ शुगर खा लेते हैं, या फिर कुछ ऐसा which is bad for our health. So just to prevent these things, you can have just a glass of water. That will be more than sufficient to suppress your appetite also. So basically 8 ounces of water is more than sufficient for a human body. If you calculate in glasses, 11 to 12 glasses are required for any human body. It is mentioned that if you have glass of water before your meal, then it will lead the decrease in 75 calories in calorie intake per meal. ये आपको 75 एक छोटा नंबर लग रहा होगा, but if you calculate it for a month, for a year, then it can create a huge impact. So just remember one thing: whenever you feel thirsty, just have one glass of water. Whenever you feel to eat some sugary, whenever you feel to have some junk food, just have a glass of water. That is the simplest way to postpone your junk food. Okay, so our next point is no junk food, no sugary food. Dispose of all your junk food and sugary food out of your house. Believe me, it works magically. Trust me, out of sight is out of mind. The only thing which is required here is a little willpower. Our next tip is lie to yourself. I remember when I started my weight loss journey, I just started to lie to myself and to everyone that I don't like the taste of junk food, I don't like the taste of sugary food, and I just keep on lying to myself, lying to everyone. By the time, to my surprise, it just started manifesting. So that was the win-win situation for me. Next tip is ruin your favorite junk food. Whatever the junk food you like, it may be pizza, it may be burger, it may be sugary foods, it may be anything. Just go and research. Research what are the bad effects, what are the side effects of that junk food it has on our body. The information you will get is much more effective to just keep you out of it for whole life. Trust me, it works magically. Next tip is timing is everything. Yes, timing is everything, because whatever you are having, whatever you are consuming, if it is junk, then it matters a lot if you are taking it in the morning or in the evening. It matters a lot, because in the morning, in a day, your digestive fire is up. When I started my weight loss journey, I used to go for parties, birthday parties of my friend or anyone. I would just take that piece of cake and I would come to my home and I would store it in refrigerator. And in next day I would have that, because in morning from 7 to 11 a.m. that is the time when your digestive fire is on peak. So whatever you are consuming at that time, there is a strong possibility that it will not store in your body, it will not become as a fat or cholesterol. So our next point is an exercise. Physical activity is very essential for you, for anyone and for any human being. At least 30 minutes physical activity you should do. Exercise will give you a shape and tone which you are craving for. Exercise will burn your fat vigorously, revitalize your metabolism, it will boost your energy, and the main point, it will reduce your stress level, which is a major reason in most of the time for weight gain. So it is very important to be stress free in your life. for weight loss journey. Whatever the exercise you like, you can do. You can choose whatever the form of exercise you like. You can do yoga, you can do swimming, you can do cardio, weight training, anything, dance, Zumba, whatever you like. In my opinion, sports is the best thing to do for exercise. It will not only keep you active, but also it will reduce your stress level and it will improve your compliance. आपको जबरदस्ती नहीं करना पड़ेगा. जैसे मुझे अगर कहा जाए कि जिम जाना है तो compliance will be so minimum level, because I don't like to go to gym. I will just try to postpone that. But अगर मुझे कहा जाए कि मुझे स्पोर्ट्स खेलना है, so मैं बहुत जल्दी उठ जाऊंगी, जल्दी अपना सब तैयार करूंगी. I will be so excited. Okay, so स्पोर्ट्स की एक खासियत शायद यही है कि आपको जबरदस्ती नहीं करना पड़ता, वो इजीली हो जाता है. और फॉर longer period of time you can do that. Happily you can do that. So in that case, sports is the best thing as per my opinion. You may like some other exercise, just do it. Whatever the form you like, just do it. Okay, you don't have to skip that because exercise बहुत important है, especially in weight loss. So हमारा next point है go whole grains. अब ग्रेन्स के बारे में भी ये मिथ है, मैंने बहुत बार सुना है कि अगर आपको वेट लॉस करना है तो यू हैव टू रेस्ट्रिक्ट योर ग्रेन्स और यू शुड स्किप योर ग्रेन्स. दैट इज नॉट द हेल्दी वे टू डू वेट लॉस. जस्ट डोंट डू इट, बिकॉज ग्रेन्स में भी ऐसे ग्रेन्स है जो विच आर हायर इन फाइबर एंड लोअर इन ग्लाइसेमिक इंडेक्स, विच विल हेल्प यू इन वेट लॉस. Okay, just you have to choose your grain. What grain you should have? So you should have the grains like oats, quinoa, rye, barley, jaw, brown rice, then buckwheat, then quinoa, corns, lentils. These are some examples of grains which are very good for weight loss. But there are few examples of grains which has strict no for weight loss. Which are those? Those are white rice and wheat. I know most of the times these may be your favorite one, but you have to skip that because they have such elements in that those will make you gain weight. Basically, wheat has mylopectin in that, so it is addictive also. So just be as far as possible from wheat. I will suggest you should have jawar in your daily diet. Jawar is not only full of fiber, it will provide you the increased activity level. Also, it will help you in weight loss, in visible weight loss, I must say. Okay, so go whole grains. There is no problem to have whole grains in weight loss journey. You can happily have that. Okay. मैं देख रही हूँ कुछ लोगों की फेस पे स्माइल आ गई है, right? Because you like that. And that is the good way to lose weight. Then only you will sustain your weight loss journey for a longer period of time. That's what I am trying to say. कि आपको major changes नहीं करने हैं. Just you have to do minor changes. Minorly you have to change your diet. Okay. So our next point is portion properly. There is a quote that breakfast like a king, lunch like a prince, and dinner like a beggar. What does it mean? It means that your most of the portion of your diet should be in breakfast, little smaller should be in lunch, and very small portion should be in a dinner. Because your digestive fire is up in the morning, then it slightly goes down, comes to evening. Okay. After evening you don't have, I have also mentioned in my other video that what is the best time to have dinner. I will give the link in description below. Just check it out. I have mentioned a lot of techniques how you can lose your weight easily. Just have a look at that. So for now, portion your meal properly. Then second trick is chew your food 32 times. When you chew your food 32 times, it is easily mixed up with your saliva, and ultimately it will lead in proper digestion. There is a strong possibility it will not become, it will not get stored in fat form or cholesterol form. So our next point is sleep well. Scientists say that 8 hours of sleep is very essential for any human being. You have to take a better sleep for a better digestion. And scientists presses on that your sleep is very essential. So बहुत से लोग क्या करते हैं इस चीज को, they just skip that. They will do everything for weight loss and they will forget to have a better sleep, and they will just give excuses. Don't give excuse. It is very essential. Just sleep at 10 PM. अगर आप जल्दी सोते हो और जल्दी उठते हो, it is also mentioned in our ancient scriptures कि उसका बहुत बड़ा इम्पैक्ट होता है आपकी होल लाइफ पे, आपकी हेल्थ पे, स्पेशली इन वेट लॉस. क्योंकि अगर आप जल्दी उठते हो तो लॉजिकली आपका डाइजेशन जल्दी स्टार्ट होता है, बिकॉज यू वेक अप विद सन. सो सन रेज आप पे ज्यादा वर्क करेंगे. यू गेट एक्टिव इन proper timing, so your digestive fire will work very well. Okay, basically you have to take 8 hours of sleep regularly. Okay, so our next point is rainbow on a plate. Rainbow on a plate means a portion of every kind of meal you should have on your plate. Everything should be there. There should be grains, there should be dairy products, there should be proteins, there should be fats, there should be vegetables, there should be fruits, there should be seeds also. So everything should be there in your plate, in your meal. Just look at your meal, what you're consuming. It is very essential for you. There is a quote that you are what you eat, and that is very true. It's your food which is making you. Okay, so just keep eye on that. That is very essential. Just portion up everything in your plate. Just fix it so that you will be known what you are consuming. Okay, that is the only purpose. So our next point is adding fire up elements in your food. So what is fire up elements? Any food which fire up your digestive system, that is called fire up elements. Few examples are there, like you can add jeera, you can add ajwain, you can add jaggery, sauf, ginger, hot water. Even hot water works very well. Then black pepper, flaxseed, All these are some examples, few examples. You can have that in your meal, you can have it after meal, like soft you have mostly. It also works as a mouth freshener. Most of the time we have that after meal. So these fire up elements will do magic in your weight loss journey. Just trust me, it will work magically, because all these elements work on your digestive system. It will fasten your digestion and it will lead to a visible weight loss. So our next point is record weight. Maintain a record on a daily basis. You can have on a monthly, on a weekly basis. You can have anything you want to, but just maintain a record. Okay, it is very essential. Just keep eye on that, because आप जब भी कोई चीज लिख के रखते हो, आप नोटिस करना, जब भी आप कोई चीज लिख के रखते हो, लिखते हो, तो it goes to your subconscious mind, and when it goes to your subconscious mind, it will work very easily. It will go with the flow. Like you don't have to struggle for that. It will go off. It will just go with the flow. Okay? So just maintain a record any way you want to. Okay? Just maintain a record. Next point is stress level. Just be stress free. Just be happy. I'm not saying this in a formal way, but I mean that. आपका स्ट्रेस फ्री होना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. ट्रस्ट में, अगर आपको कोई भी स्ट्रेस है, कोई भी आपको टेंशन है, आप सैड रहते हो, आपका मूड खराब रहता है, तो दैट विल इफेक्ट इन वेट गेन. जस्ट मार्क माय वर्ड. So it is very essential to be stress free in your life. Just be happy with what you have. You can, for that trick is there, you can maintain a gratitude journal. I will tell you about gratitude journal in some other video, but for now you can maintain gratitude journal. You should thank to whatever you have, thank to God for whatever you have now. So that is it basically. But just be free from any stress, any tension, anything. आपकी बॉडी में जब भी आप हैप्पी रहते हो, तो आपकी बॉडी में हार्मोन्स रिलीज होते हैं, which are called as serotonin, endorphins and dopamine. So these are called happy hormones. और ये जब भी आपकी बॉडी में सिक्रेट होते हैं, आपके नर्व्स में सिक्रेट होते हैं, तब आप बहुत अच्छा वर्क करते हो, बहुत अच्छा आप फील करते हो, और आप तब जो भी काम करते हो, इट विल बी 100%, it will work 100%. So it is very essential. If whatever you are doing, weight loss, you are doing weight gain, you are doing some other things, you should be happy. Ultimately, why you are doing this? आप ये क्यों कर रहे हो? क्योंकि आपको पतला होना है. क्यों? क्योंकि आपको कोई अच्छा बोले. क्यों? क्योंकि आपको अच्छा लगे. So basically you are doing it for your satisfaction. You are doing it for your happiness. तो अगर आप happy रहोगे, तो ultimately it will manifest. Okay? So that is a trick. That is our last point, last but not the least. So bonus tip ये है कि try adding sprouts in your meal, as sprouts are called as superfoods. स्प्राउट्स का बहुत अच्छा एक इम्पैक्ट होता है, स्पेशली इन वेट लॉस जर्नी. We will talk it in detail in some other video, but for now just add some sprouts in your daily diet and just see the magical effects. So that's all. I hope you like this video. If like, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. So thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching. Be happy, be healthy. Tada, bye bye.